Okay, you are welcome. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to create our interactive bot flow right here on Kluxchats. So let's get started. Once you log into your Kluxchat dashboard, just move over to bot flow reply, click the bot flow reply and click the flow button. Once you click the flow link, you'll be redirected here. Then come over here and create a new bot flow. Click here and then give your bot flow a title. For the purpose of this video, I'll be using tests as my bot flow title. Here you have to do your start trigger subject. Now this start trigger subject means you have to write the word or the statement or the possible word you think the people or the client will be able to type on their WhatsApp to trigger this bot flow. Okay, so you can write a sentence or you can put various one and you put comma. Okay, so maybe you want to write a sentence that say welcome or hello sir. Okay, so once you type this start trigger subject, it means that for this bot flow to trigger from their own end, they must type hello sir. If they don't type hello sir and they put any other word, this bot flow will not be triggered. So the only thing that trigger this bot flow to start responding is what you are going to write here. So the best option for your trigger subject is put those possible words you think people will love to type whenever they actually contact you on WhatsApp. So what I'm going to do is to put all of them, and while you put them, you put comma alongside, so I know when people try to chat with me on WhatsApp, they might likely put hello. So whenever they put hello, this flow will trigger. When they put hi, the flow will trigger. When they put banner, when they put hi. So ensure you put comma to separate each of the trigger subjects. So you can put as much as you think. Okay, so just put them. So once you are done with that, you hit submit. Okay, fine, you've succeeded in creating your bot flow. Then let's go in and start building our bot flow. You come over here and click this flow builder. Fine, once you click this, it will take you to the bot flow builder dashboard. So if you want your bot to be active while you are building, you click this statue. Once you click this statue, it means that your bot flow is active already, and whatever you are doing here, once people start chatting you up there, this will be responding. So the best just to keep it off while you start building your flow. When you finish your flow and you want to go live, you can now toggle this on. So let's start building our flow. Here you have start. When they click hello, they are to start. When they click or they put any of this subject trigger here, it starts. So you come over here to add your bot flow reply. Once you click here, we have 3 bot flow reply. We have simple bot flow, media bot flow, and advanced interactive bot flow. Now let me just go through them one after the other. Simple bot flow, if you select simple bot flow, it will only give you the option to put your reply text, put your variable, and that is all. That is what simple bot flow does. It only gives you the option to put reply text, nothing else again. Let's close it. Let's go over to media bot flow. Media bot flow only give you the access to add media like image, like video, like documents, and also audio. You click here to upload it. Doesn't give you the option to put text. It doesn't give you the option to put button or link or whatever. That is for bot flow for media. Then when you come to the last one, which is the advanced interactive bot flow, the advanced interactive bot flow gives you the platform for both the simple and the media bot flow. Here you can add text, you can add variable. Here you can add header. Here you can add button, reply button, call to action URL button, and list messages. Then here you can add your button label, each of them, and then add your footer and then submit. So most often we will be using the advanced interactive boot flow for all our boot flow building. So let's start building our boot flow right away. So let's come here and go to advanced interactive boot flow. Let's give our boot flow a title. Let's say welcome. Once they click what we welcome them, we put our reply text. We say hello, you are welcome. How can we be of help to you? Okay, so this is the reply they will get once they immediately chat up with us. Okay, but here we want to put a verb. We want to make it more personal so that I can say hello and mention their name. So it's either you put take first name or last name or full name or phone number or email, country or language code. But let's go with full name. We pick their full name, their full name, so that we address them with their name and their surname, and then we give space and we paste it there, so that once they chat up with us, it will say, hello, Daniel Agboje, you are welcome. How can we be of help to you? Fine. Then over here we have to put our header type. Your header type is optional. Header type means what will be at the top of the charts. Okay, so your header type, it can be text, it can be image, it can be video, it can be document. So whatever header type you want to put on top, you can put it. Now if I'm talking about header type, don't worry about this. By the time we finish setting up this, I will give you an example of how header type look like in the boot flow. Okay, so for now we are going for tests. We want to use text, so we have to enter our header text here. Our header text will be welcome. So welcome will be at the top of it. Then our reply button, we are going by reply button. This reply button means we are going to give them option on what they are to click to respond. So here we can say book inspection, and then here we can say make payment. Then here we say chat with an agent. So these are the label, the link, the button they will click that will take them to the next response. Okay, here is footer text is optional. The footer text means what will come out at the base, so we can just put harmless property. Okay, fine. So this, we are done with this flow. Then we hit submit. So automatically we've created our first flow. Then you can drag this flow, you can drag it wherever you wish to on your environment. You can scroll down, there's enough space down that you can work with. Okay, so in this case we want to link this start to this our welcome flow. So all you need to do, take your cursor, click this arrow here, it will bring out this, drag this and connect it here to this boot flow. Once you click it, get connect. So once they say hello, this will be trigger. Okay, fine. You can edit this by clicking this edit button. You save first, then you can now click edit, and then you can edit your information and then click submit. Now one thing about this boot flow here is that each time you finish a particular task, ensure you save. Okay, so you save for each task you accomplish here. Okay, now if you didn't save and you try to create another task, it will give you a pop-up information that you need to save first. Okay, so fine, we've created this. So the next thing we are going to create, the next boot flow, is book and inspection. Then we come over here. This book and inspection has to do with putting your link. So we come over here. See, it's asking me, you have an unsaved changes. You need to save it first. Do you want to save it? Yes. So you always save your tags before continuing with the next one. Okay, so we now come over here, go to advanced interactive bot flow. Then this will give it book and expansion, book site expansion. Then we write our reply test. Okay, since they are booking for site inspection, we say click, because we want to take them to the form online where they are going to book the site inspection. So we can say click the link below to book for site inspection. Okay, fine. So once we are done with that, then we can now come over here. You can add your header title as text. Then we say book for site inspection. Then here we are no longer putting reply button that will trigger them, that will trigger a reply message. We want to use this call to action URL, which will give us the option to put the link where they will go to. Click this, then it will only give you one option to put the link. Then we come here and said book now, and then we put the link where we want them to book. Okay, fine. Then if we want to put we can put, and then click submit. So we've created the next bot flow. So what we are going to do here now is we are going to link this site inspection to this. We click here, it will bring this arrow, we drag it here and connect it to this one. So we succeeded in connecting this to this. So once they click hello, it gives them welcome message and give them all this option. Once they click book site inspection, it takes them right to this particular respond, and they see the response. Okay, so now we can as well duplicate. You can, rather than going here to be creating, I can duplicate this by clicking this, but remember you need to save first. But don't worry, if you didn't remember to save, the system will always notify you to save. So we click here to duplicate. Are you sure you want to duplicate this? Yes. Then it will duplicate it here for us. We can come here, edit. Yes, we save it first. Go back again, click edit. Then we save this. This one we are going to put make payments. Make payments. Okay, we just change some few things here. Here we'll say pay now. This is just a test demo. Then you put the link and then you click submit. So you just edit some few things there. So once you are done with the editing, that is done. So we can now take this one and put here, and then click this and then link it here. Okay, so this is how you repeatedly keep creating your bot flow one after the other, and then keep arranging it. Okay, if I want to delete this link, maybe I don't want to link this to this, I want to delete the link, just click the link here. Once you click this link here, it will give you option to delete. You can click this, you've deleted it. So that is how to delete the link. Okay, so with this illustration I've given to you, you can use this to build more sophisticated bot flow the way you want it, and then how you want the flow to go. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video very helpful.